How to fix the Bluetooth icon is missing from your Dell laptop. So if you're trying to connect to the Bluetooth but you're not seeing this icon here, I'm going to show you a few ways on how to solve this. So first, just go and open up your Start menu and click on Settings. From the left hand side of the page, click on Bluetooth and Devices. And obviously make sure you have your Bluetooth switched on. Now if you don't see this option, I'll show you how to solve this in just a second. So we're just going to click on View More Devices and then scroll down the page and click on More Bluetooth Settings. Now where it says Show the Bluetooth icon in the notification area, make sure this is switched on and press Apply and OK. Now once you've done this, you can check to see if you can now see the Bluetooth icon. If it's still not working, open up your Start menu and search for Troubleshoot and click on Troubleshoot Settings. Now select Other Troubleshooters and then you can scroll down to Bluetooth and click on the Run button. You can then scroll down to the Automated Diagnostics and press Yes, and this will run some tests on your computer to try and diagnose the issue. Now if it's still not working, you can open up your Start menu again, search for Services and click on this window. Now you'll need to scroll down the page to Bluetooth Support Service. You can then right click on this and press Properties. Make sure the startup type is set to automatic. And also make sure the service status is running. So if it's not running, you can click on the Start button and then go and press Apply and OK. You'll then need to open up your Start menu, search for Device Manager and click on this window. Click on the drop down arrow next to Bluetooth and you should be able to find your Bluetooth adapter. If you don't see this, you can press View and select Show Hidden Devices. You'll then need to right click on your adapter and press Disable Device. Once it's been disabled, you can right click on your adapter again and then just press Enable Device. Now if you've tried all of the steps in this video and your Bluetooth still not working, what you'll need to do is hold down the power button on your computer for 45 seconds. So even when the screen goes black, continue to hold this button down. And after a full 45 seconds, you can then go and release this button. You can try turning your computer back on and your Bluetooth should now be working.